application. I'll do number 1. Okay. The recommended dosage for tobramycin is 2 milligrams per kilogram per day divided BID. Can you still hear me? Because I'm starting now. Okay. Thank you. Divided BID. Timmy, a 50-pound child, is to receive tobramycin. How many milligrams of tobramycin should Timmy receive per day? If you notice, the first step should really be calculation of the weight, right? But the question is all the way to the bottom. So when you're thrown series of questions, do not think that it's in order, okay? Do not think that it's in order. So the first problem actually is to convert Timmy's weight from pounds to kilograms, right? Okay. So Richard, how much is Timmy's weight from pounds, which is 50, to kilograms?
It is 22.73 kilograms.
22.73 kilograms, correct. Okay. The conversion factor is a kilogram is 2.2 pounds. So we'll put it here, 22.73 kilograms. Okay, we'll put it right there because that's necessary. First step. Okay, then let's go back. Timmy, how many milligrams of tobramycin should Timmy receive per day? How many milligrams? What do you think? Okay, open your whiteboard.py because it's easier to show it there. Let me open mine so you can join. New window. Okay, whiteboard.py, new RXT. So that you can show your work. Create new class. I'll put the code on the board to join. In the chat box right here. This is your whiteboard code. You can start joining. Elizabeth, do you have an idea how to solve the first question? Per day is the first question.
Yes, I do.
Okay, so can you give me the answer to that one first, and then we'll go backtrack how you solve the problem?
Yes.
Okay.
45.46 milligrams.
Correct. It's 45.46 milligrams. And how did you get that?
I did the ratio proportion.
That's okay.
2 milligrams, and then underneath that I put 1 kilogram. Then I put the equal sign. Then I did X milligrams, and then underneath that I put 22.73 kilograms, which was his body surface area. And I cross-multiplied the 2 by, multiplied 2 and the 22.73.
And that's 45.46 milligram. We should not forget that this is
per day.
Got it? So who got 45.46 milligrams? Good job. So the next problem will be easy. The next question, right? Because the follow-up question was per dose. So what do you do next, Elizabeth?
So what I did was per dose. I divided the 45.46 by 2.
Correct. Oops.
And I got 22.73 milligrams per dose. Oh, did I?
No, that's me, sorry. And you got correct. 22.73 milligrams per dose, because 45.46 milligrams divided by 2 is 22.73 milligrams per dose. So you want to make sure that you label it correctly so that you don't lose it once you get to the final answer and when you're calculating the follow-up questions. Who got 22.73 milligrams per dose? Hands up. Good job. Jason, Nate, Christine, Shauna, my Shauna. Yes? Okay. Let's continue, Stormy. Our supply is 400 milligram per 2.5 ml. How many milliliters should we administer to Timmy per dose?
So would this be 400 milligrams over 2.5 milliliters equals 22.73 milligrams over X ml?
Correct. And why did we use 22.73, not 45.46?
Because we're calculating per dose.
There you go. That's how I take the test. I didn't circle that, okay? Continue.
We're gonna times that, let's see. So I got 0.14 milliliters.
Who got 0.14 ml? Hands up, okay. There's a follow-up question in there. I know the answer is 0. However, let's try to keep it as close as possible to the hundreds place, or wherever we can see a decimal point. Now, we'll have to convert 0.14 ml to teaspoon. That's the follow-up question. Isn't that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And how do we do that, Stormy? What's our conversion factor?
1 teaspoon equals 5 mLs.
Which means?
You're going to divide 0.14 by the 5 milliliters, which is 0.03.
Correct. Okay. I did dimensional analysis here. So 0.14 divided by 5 is 0.03 ml. Hands up, 0.3. And then the last question was the first thing that we had to do, which is the calculation of the weight. Is that clear? Milligram per kilogram per day dosage calculation. Second one is on the video lecture. Let's go over it since it's on the video lecture. Christine, do you have answers to this? Number 2?
No, I'm sorry.
Okay, Jason, back to you. First one, again, let's calculate Susie's weight.
All right, Susie's weight, I got 45.5 kilograms.
Let me cover that. 45.40, oops, what did I do? Annotate, I lost it. Okay, let's do this. Susie's weight right here is the first thing that we need to do, which is 45.45 kilograms. Who got this one? Hands up, please. Hands up so I know you're on the right page. Okay, you're still with me. Nate, you're frozen. Okay, let's go back. Let's calculate Jason. How much ampicillin should Susie receive? This is going to be per day.
So per day, I got 11,362.5 milligrams.
Correct. 11,362.5 milligrams. You see that? 11,362 milligrams. 62.5 milligrams per day. What's your per dose then?
Per dose was going to be 2,840.
Correct. Who got this one? Hands up or thumbs up.